Let's learn about diode and PN junction. A PN junction is a boundary or interface between two regions of semiconductor material, one doped with an acceptor impurity, p-type, and the other doped with a donor impurity, n-type. The term P refers to the positively charged holes that dominate the electrical behavior in the p-type region, while N refers to the negatively charged electrons that dominate the electrical behavior in the n-type region. The PN junction is a fundamental building block of many electronic devices, including diodes, transistors, and solar cells. When a PN junction is formed, a depletion region is created at the interface between the p-type and n-type regions, which is a region that lacks mobile charge carriers, that is, electrons and holes. This depletion region forms a barrier that prevents current flow in one direction, the reverse bias direction, and allows current flow in the other direction, the forward bias direction. The behavior of a PN junction can be explained by the diffusion and drift of charge carriers, and it is influenced by the properties of the semiconductor material, the doping levels, and the external conditions such as temperature and applied voltage.
আমাদের এই ভিডিওটা দেখানোর জন্য আপনাদের ধন্যবাদ। যদি ভিডিওটা ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে লাইক এবং শেয়ার করবেন এবং অবশ্যই আমাদের চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন। ধন্যবাদ।
Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my future videos.